Mamela, na indaba enkulu ebalekile. If you are sitting under the sound of my voice, anyone who is hearing me in the country, around the country and beyond the borders of the country, it is important. Mabati ikona ke into eyake yabaleka kulonyaka ka2026 ile inhlambululo yamanzi. Kufuna ugcoke ingubo ezimhlophe noma ufake iduke elimhlophe uphathe into emhlophe owombathe into emhlophe. Inkonzo enkulu yensebenzo kamoya, because abantu they will be coming from Swaziland, people are coming from Eastern Cape, people are coming from Western Cape, people are coming from Northern Cape, Swaziland, people are coming from Limpopo, people are coming from Northwest, Free State. Kulonyaka sithi be fruitful and multiply. uNkulunkulu uthi ngithandazele 10,000 apples. Wonke umuntu akeze azothatha iapula elithandazelwe ukuze kulunge izinto zakho. Abangathola abantwana bazothola abantwana. Abantu abangathola imisebenzi bathola imisebenzi. Abantu abathi izinto zibalekile, amabhizinisi abalekile ayovuleka. Le nkonzo ibalekile. Ngifuna ukuthi ulethe abantwana bakho, bring your family, bring your children, because yinja nekati kuphela ekumele isale ekhaya. Ngifuna ungizweke. There are buses in every province. Details are on the screen. Kunamabhasi every town in South Africa, because lena it's a national event. Ngisebenza isizwe njengomprofeti wesizwe. Listen to me. Ngikhuluma nawe wena osacabanga akhona amabhasi endaweni yakho eza kwinhlambululo yamanzi. Standard Bank Arena, the 6th of February. It's important. Ngikhuluma nawe wena. Ngikhuluma nawe. Uyayazi problem yakho. Uyayazi ukuthi wena izinto zakho asifani nezabanye. Khona iapula elithandazela izawuzolithatha kule nkonzo enkulu yenhlambululo yamanzi. Wonke umuntu akaphathe imbewu ya 380 rand abhali izinto afuna ukuzibona ku2026. Njengoba ngisho ke ukuthi each and every town in the country kune bus ephumayo. Call the numbers on the screen and register. Ngikhuluma nawe. Omunye uthi ngisedeni. Impilo iyaphakanyelwa. Impilo iyahanjelwa. Akungaqali unyaka ka2026 uqale njengakulonyaka ophelile. That's why uphela izinto zebheda. I want you to come. Uzothatha iapula elithandazela. Be fruitful and multiply. Remember, 2026, a year of higher dimension. God bless you.